Why should you create a business website with WordPress? Are you a small business aiming for a big online presence? WordPress is your secret weapon. Affordable, flexible, and beginner-friendly, it's the go-to platform for turning your online vision into reality. WordPress is designed for simplicity. Its clean dashboard allows you to manage your site without technical know-how. Posting blogs, updating plugins, or changing a theme takes just a few clicks. Plus, endless tutorials make your learning curve effortless. No two businesses are alike. Choose from thousands of themes and plugins to match your brand style. Whether it's e-commerce tools, portfolio pages, or customer engagement features, you'll find everything to create a tailored website without coding. Want more customers? WordPress's SEO-friendly features and plugins like Yoast SEO make it easy to rank on Google. Customize URLs, meta tags, and alt text effortlessly, turning your website into a magnet for traffic. Your business deserves a professional online presence, and WordPress delivers it on a budget. Get started with WordPress now. Empower your business to grow, attract customers, and shine online. Don't wait. Build your dream website today. Read the full blog post at newhorizons123.com.